guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. These are the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. Let me just quickly wear them, because it looks cool. Alright, here we go. So these are the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite, Xiaomi's new budget TWS earphones, and they are coming in for an introductory price of Rs 1499. After that you can buy them for 1999, which is 2000 rupees, but for the introductory pricing you can buy them for 1500 rupees. So the main question is that are they worth it for 1500 rupees? Well, let's try to find an answer to that question in today's video. Sit back, relax and have fun. Now first up, let's go ahead and talk about the design and build quality. I like the design of the case. It has a matte finish to it. It is not a glossy finish, which I do appreciate. And also the case is very lightweight. It's not heavy, it's not big. It's a small, compact and lightweight case. I do like that about it. Now if we talk about the earbuds, they do not have a stem like AirPods or some other TWS out there. It is in this round shape and they're extremely lightweight. So when you put them in your ear, you won't feel a lot of weight, and that is important in these type of earbuds. When these type of earbuds are heavy, then that puts a strain on your ear, but that's not the case with these ones. They are very lightweight. Now if we talk about the fit is good. Even if I move my head like this, then they are not falling off, which is a good thing. So if you want to use these earbuds while running or working out or walking, then you can definitely do so. Now inside the box you do get replaceable ear tips, so if the default ones don't fit you, you can change the ear tips and see what fits you. Build quality wise, these earbuds are just okay. They are made from plastic, nothing exciting over here, but that is expected at this price. Build quality is just okay-ish. Now with these earbuds, Xiaomi also sent out a very cool denim case. I absolutely love this case and I hope that they are going to sell this case for the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. We reviewers got it as a gift along with the earbuds, but I sincerely hope that they sell it, and if they do, then you should definitely get that as well. That is an awesome case for the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. Now one good thing over here is that these earbuds are IP54 rated, so you can easily use them while working out without being worried about the sweat, or you can also use them in the rain sometimes. Not in heavy rain of course, but in light rain you can definitely use them. Now these earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.2 and the connectivity has been excellent. You just have to open up the lid and they will show up in your Bluetooth settings. Just connect them once and you will be good to go. From next time onwards, whenever you open the lid, they will be connected and ready to go. If we talk about controls, you do get touch controls with the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. So you can use touch controls to answer calls, play or pause your music, go to the next track, previous track, or also use them to talk to assistants. Touch controls are very convenient and they work surprisingly well with the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. I did not face any major issues with touch controls as of yet. Alright, now it's time to talk about the main thing. How do these earbuds sound? The sound quality is good. It is focused around bass because that's what Indian consumers like. The low end frequencies are definitely prominent over here and you do get that bass punch with these earbuds. So if you're a fan of bass or low end, then you are going to get that with these earbuds. If we talk about the mids and highs, they are good but they are not excellent. Because these earbuds are more bass heavy, the other frequencies definitely take a hit, but it's not a major concern. The overall sound output is good and you will have an excellent experience while listening to music or watching movies. It's not like the other frequencies are too muffled, nothing like that. I would say that Xiaomi has finally done a good job in terms of sound quality. Previously they've not done such a good job, but this time around they have done a good job in terms of the sound quality. Also, one thing that is excellent is the volume. Like in my testing period, I would not listen to music at 100% volume. I would always listen at 80 or 90% and that would be enough. So in terms of volume, these earbuds do not disappoint. Now I know that you guys might be wondering what about the microphone quality for calls. Well, let me give you a quick demo. Alright, this is a very quick demo with the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. I am shooting a front camera video and these earbuds are paired to the smartphone, so you can hear how do these earbuds sound. Now you guys let me know in the comment section down below that how is the audio quality. Is it good? Is it bad? Whatever it is, let me know that in the comments down below. Moving on, let's talk about battery life and charging. Xiaomi claims that you will get a total battery life of up to 18 hours with these earbuds. The earbuds will carry 5 hours and with the case you will get a total of 18 hours. In my testing period, the earbuds lasted for about 4 hours, which is pretty good, and with the case you'll get somewhere around 16 hours of battery life, which is excellent in my opinion. For this price, the battery life has been really good with the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. If you talk about charging, you do get a USB Type-C port over here for charging, which is really good. It's not micro USB, it is USB Type-C. And yeah, you do get fast charging. 10 minutes of charge will give you 100 minutes of listening time. So yeah, fast charging is extremely convenient. Whenever the earbuds go out of charge, you can quickly plug them in for like 10 to 15 minutes and you will be sorted for the day. So let's get back to the main question. Are these earbuds worth it? Well, yes, they are worth it and you can go ahead and buy them. I will make sure to drop a link to them in the description box below. These earbuds go on sale tomorrow with the introductory pricing of 1499, and if you can get these earbuds at 1499, that would be awesome. So anyway, that's been it. This was my very quick review of the Redmi Earbuds 3 Lite. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.